Say hi, Bryce.
Welcome to the Dominican Republic in December 2025, where you'll experience snorkeling, dancing, lots of dancing, and boat rides. This trip, Roadies Roam the World, is exploring with family, my brother, sister-in-law, and our 2 nephews, making memories in La Romana at Sunscape Dominicus La Romana. Our adventure starts right here at the resort, where the water is so clear it feels like you're swimming inside a postcard. The snorkeling structures you see around Sunscape Dominicus La Romana are actually part of a really interesting blend of natural reef formations and human-made features designed to make the coastline safer, calmer, and more vibrant for marine life. Welcome to Cotubanamá National Park in the beautiful Dominican Republic.
Son! Oh, this is cool. Here, this will be a good shot.
Look each other. Look each other. Kiss, 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 kiss.
You know they're brother and sister, right?
Not brother and sister. No.
Cotubanamá is one of the best snorkeling regions in the Caribbean because it protects over 30 kilometers of coral reef systems. The water is shallow, warm, and extremely clear. You can see a variety of tropical fish and sometimes rays or sea turtles. The reefs here are part of the Eastern Caribbean Reef Belt, one of the most biodiverse marine corridors in the region.
Say something inspirational for the people.
I don't like being put on the spot. I don't have anything inspirational.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give up. Never what? Back down. Let Chad say something.
There you go. What are we doing?
It's inspirational for Kids Channel.
Don't ever eat yellow snow.
It's a good tip.
Very, very inspirational.
Very good
Okay,
tip.
now it's
Our next adventure is in the rain, we're on another island snorkeling excursion combo, this time to Saona Island, and we didn't let the rain dampen our fun. Snorkeling off Saona feels like a dream. These reefs are part of Cotubanamá National Park, a protected stretch of Caribbean water. Most of these excursions have more than just snorkeling. They have Dominican music, dance, and rum. Merengue and bachata play on the boats. Guides often dance with guests. The rhythm becomes part of the experience. It's not just a boat ride, it's a cultural immersion. Plus, it's New Year's Eve and it's time to party.
Say hi, guys. Extreme close-up. This video. Oh, yeah. Mi familia. Take video.
See you next time on Roadies Roam the